What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to another episode on the Crypto Wealthy channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss about Bitcoin price that could actually break on the upside sooner than we thought, and also I'm going to bring the Ethereum chart in request of our watcher in the comment section down below. So this is why it's important to hit that like and subscribe button, and also let us know what would you like to watch in the next videos on this channel so I can make these videos for you. And now let's begin. We discussed in previous videos that the Bitcoin price is still in this consolidating rectangle over here, and it's spending a lot of time around this area, which means soon or later we're going to see some kind of a breakout, because Bitcoin price is trying to break this level of resistance all the time. Just look at this. One retest, another, third, fourth, and now it's fifth, and I think this is going to pop up very soon, which means if we manage to take out these lower highs over here, the price could escalate and take those local main highs that we had in the previous few months or so. Also, I mentioned in the previous video, please watch it, that we finally managed to make new higher low over here, which means that we are making some kind of a ascending triangle, which means ascending triangles are those who are making higher lows and trying to break some kind of a flat resistance that is in this case $7,400, and we managed to break it. And if we switch on the 1 hourly chart, we can see that we are still retesting over here. So if we manage to bounce from here, it's probable that we're going to break this trend line over here, which is one of the important ones to watch right now. Also, we are getting close to one very bullish pattern on the MACD. Whenever the MACD is above this histogram over here, this is the very bullish side. We have a lot of space to go on upside, so which means the Bitcoin price could go very high if those two moving averages start to convert above this histogram. The same story is about RSI, because we are making higher lows over here. As you can see, MACD is still not completely bullish, which is good because it gives us a lot of space to have some kind of a rally on the upside on the daily chart. So we are still in some kind of a bearish part over here, because we need to go above 50 level. We are already there, but we need some kind of a confirmation that the Bitcoin price will consolidate here a lot longer than it's now in order to see some kind of a bullish pattern over here on the upside. Now, one more positive news is on the long side. Now everybody think, no, this is not positive, we're dumping. No, actually we're not. We're actually finding some kind of a level of support over here. Maybe we're going to dump a little bit more and find another level of support over here, but for now we are not acting like previous highs over here. Dump immediately, dump immediately. We are still trying to find some kind of a level of support in order to long start moving even higher. And one of the confirmation for the bullish side of the longs is the shorts, because shorts are still on the ground. Somebody or someone or some people, whatever, constantly trying to push the shorts on the downside, and they still can't move from the ground over here, which is okay, good for us, that because we could potentially have a rally because of this. Many shorts are liquidated from now many times, so this is pretty good for the bullish side. Also, one more bullish indicator is the moving averages. 20 exponential moving average is below the price, which is very good. Now we're probably going to find some kind of a level of support. I hope that we're not going to break on the downside all over again. Also, 50 exponential moving average is trying to find a support below this price over here, which is also very good. And those two moving averages are trying to converge on the bullish side, which means 20 exponential moving average is trying to locate itself on the upside, which is positive position for the bull market. So what price needs to do right now, to sum it up, needs to break this level, and retest 100 exponential moving average, which will be one of the important resistances. As we see in the previous rallies or on the downside, it made a very good resistance for the Bitcoin price. So it's very important to break this level of resistance over here when the price reach this moving average. Jumping onto the Ethereum chart with the USD, we can see that Ethereum is still below this market structure over here that we had in 2017, but nevertheless Ethereum is still consolidating around this channel over here. It made already some kind of a higher low over here if we compare it in 2018 bear market over here, some kind of a bottoming. For now, Ethereum is not showing any signs that it's going to go further lower, but in order to break and retest this market structure over here, I brought you only two moving averages. The reason why I brought only 150 exponential moving average is because I did a little research on the charts and I saw that the Ethereum is reacting on the 50 exponential moving average much precise and better than the 20 exponential moving average like on the Bitcoin charts. In that case, we can see over here as an example that the Ethereum is finding some kind of a level of support every time got into some kind of a rally. As you can see, we had a pretty neat and clean retests over here. Also over here, 100 exponential moving average is making pretty good level of resistance, so it's very important to watch those kind of levels that are making precise hits on the price. In this case, in bull market, when we had a pretty neat retest. As you can see, 50 exponential moving average acted pretty well. Also with the 100, very neat and good breaks and also the retest. So to sum it up, we need to see what Ethereum will do. If those two moving averages starts to converting on the bullish side, which means this one needs to go on the upside and 100 needs to be below it, then we're going to see some kind of a breaking price above it, finding level of support and trying to establish new bull rally and retest this trend line, which is one of the most important because it holds the whole structure of the bulls in the Ethereum charts. So if we manage to get above this trend line, then the road is free to go on the upside because we do not have much level of resistances over here on the upside because we went too parabolic in 2017 bull market, which means that we could very easily take out this all-time high when the new bull market in the cryptocurrency hits the road. So make sure you observe the Ethereum, what is going to happen in the next days or so, because it could potentially start new bull rally, let's say, to retest one of the most important level of resistances over here that we didn't break already for the year and a half. Also, it's worth mentioning that the Ethereum is working on its product very well, and also the staking program will come very soon. For now, they did had some kind of a delays, and we need to wait and to see when is the real date of establishing the new proof of stake blockchain on the Ethereum 2.0, because it could make more delays because it's not so easy to build something like that or to switch from proof of work to the proof of stake. And despite the price, the last piece of news should cheer you up a little bit. I will always bring some adoptional news in order to cheer you up, no matter if we are in the bull or in the bears. Burger King Venezuela starts Bitcoin payments in first of 40 stores. So no matter what the price is doing over here, Ethereum or the Bitcoin, whatever, Bitcoin adoption is going on already. So this is very important to know and not to get worried about the price right now, because if you're here in the long term like me and many other people in this space, then make sure you're reading the news more than you watching the price on the charts, because it will cheer you up and not let you burn out, because the price and charts and the sitting on the computer 24/7 watching the price will probably burn you out. So make sure you're watching the news, and you can do that by following us on the Instagram, because there we are uploading pretty much daily many news, not only one or two. So we'll make sure to bring you the latest news in the big quantities. And also hit that like and subscribe button if you like this kind of a content, and also let us know in the comment section down below what kind of a content would you like to watch in the next videos, because I will record that for you. Thank you very much for watching, each one of you, and until the next video, happy trading and goodbye.